Alright guys, before the video begins, as you can see we have a lot going on here. This is what we're doing. It's going to be a 3-part video, multiple installs. This will be the first one, the bumper, or honestly I don't even know how this is going to happen, but this will be the intro for all 3 videos. Hope you guys enjoy. We have huge things coming. Well, they're pretty tight. Type R bumper, Type R lip, spoon Axleback, and then we have these Type R brake kit. So let's get to it. So since we're still here at Hector's, we're gonna install the exhaust next. I'll just do it really quick. It's like a couple things. Heck, he's not here to bring his little thing, but fuck, I'm gonna just do it. He said he had like a tool or some shit, but
what do you break too?
I have I have this shit. That's all I fucking need. So this is a 3-part type of video. So from the intro that we did at home, now we're here at Hector's house. We just test fitted the rear bumper, we removed the crash bar. I don't recommend you guys do that because it is freaking dangerous as hell. So yeah, now we're just gonna start with the exhaust. What we have here, in case you haven't figured it out by now, is a spoon. Oops.
Fork. That's cool. It's a fork.
Yeah, it's a fork. This guy, fucking colorblind and fucking regularly blind too. It's a spoon exhaust. I should clean this, but fuck, I'm just gonna install it. Yeah, I don't know how hard it is to come by these, but we got a good deal on it. Same guy that we bought this from. We also bought the Type R bumper and the Type R brakes, which will be the next video you guys see. I'm not sure. Huh?
Polish it.
You have polisher?
That's it.
You want me to suck you off? Damn, this shit done, bro. I need to get going. Look. Oh, that's all it goes? Fuck. Slow-mo?
Yeah, fat motherfucking. And then tattoo and everything?
Oh, Hector. Oh, yeah. Fuck!
That brand new exhaust.
Damn, look at that! Fuck! What product did you use? Your cum?
Yeah, cement.
Honestly, it's hot. Dear Lord, I'm about to bust.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
It's the old man.
Tripled over this shiny exhaust.
Probably, to be honest. Originally, this wasn't supposed to be the plan. To fucking modify it this much. Now we have no crash bar, modified exhaust. Fuck it, roll cage? Full gut?
That'd be sick.
I've seen one with a bumper cut, dude. Fucking crazy.
Dude, this could be your track car, and then your Honda could be your show car.
Maybe one day, but for now, this is gonna be a camber car.
Camber car?
Camber. Dude, this is a fucking fat ass muffler, dude. Holy fuck. Dude, no, wait till you see this shit. This thing's fucking ginormous. Your cock?
No.
Nice cock.
My wheels. Install a video of how I took that shit off and whatnot. And go to his channel. I'll link it somewhere. There it is. Now he got it up. Took a while. Should have honestly put the sound before the logo.
I mean, I can remove the phone.
I know, but.
Look at this. OEM
Damn.
spoon. That is massive.
That's what she said. That's what she said.
That's what you said to me.
That's what you said to me, Daddy.
So yeah, we're doing that, and also, I'll show you guys how we're gonna put the brakes on once we get to it. Yeah, guys, give it a like. You guys are ready to see this single tip go inside really. Because right now he's struggling.
Hector!
He's struggling for the
¡Ay,
dust
Hector! ¡Ay, estás muy grande, Hector!
Your dad's gonna be like, what the
Alright, guys, so. Sound test.
Nothing!
You gonna rev? Sounds good. I'll turn it on.
It doesn't sound bad. It's low key. It's not that loud. I like it.
You're gonna die from the carbon dioxide monoxide.
This guy, carbon monoxide dioxide.
Carbon monoxide.
So now what you guys will see is a bunch of exhaust clips. I'll probably put the GoPro on there eventually and get it from the outside. So let me know what you guys think of the exhaust. Leave a like and everything. Like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the Type R brake install.
Dreamland.